Hi everyone, my name is Melina Afrilawati with NIM 23100-108 Prodi Management. So here I am. I want to read some speech. The roles of storynomics in promoting traditional ritual potential in Indonesia. Indonesia, with its rich cultural heritage, is a home to a vast array of traditional rituals that reflect the values, beliefs, and identity of its diverse communities. These rituals, ranging from ceremonial practice to traditional festival, not only carry historical significance but also hold substantial economic potential, particularly in tourism and creative industries. However, in an era of digital transformations and globalization, many of these traditions face the risk of being overshadowed or forgotten. This is where the concept of storynomics, the vision of storytelling, and economics emerged as a vital tool in promoting and preserving the potential of Indonesia traditional rituals. Understanding storynomics. Storynomics involves leveraging of the power of storytelling to create emotional connections and enhance the perceived value of the cultural assets. It is not merely about narrating tales but weaving compelling, authentic narrative around product, service, or experience to engage audience and drive economic growth. In the concept of traditional rituals, storynomics can be employed to contextualize rituals, making them relevant and appealing to the broader audience while preserving their cultural essence. Promoting traditional ritual potential through storynomics. Cultural tourism development. By integrating traditional rituals into engaging narrative, storynomics can be transformed this practice into attractive cultural tourist experience. For example, the Nyepi Day of Ceylon in Bali is not just a religion of servants, but can also be present as a profound, unique spiritual experience for tourists. Storynomics can highlight the historical significance, symbolic meanings, and community involvement in this ritual, making them more accessible and encouraging to visitors. Challenge and mitigation strategies. While storynomics present numerous opportunities, these are challenges to consider: risk of cultural commodification, language and accessibility barriers, and for the last one is substantial of effort. Conclusions. Storynomics serve as a bridge between preserving cultural authenticity and harnessing economic potential. By crafting and sharing compelling narrative about Indonesians' traditional ritual, it is possible to elevate their significance of the global stage, foster cultural pride, and drive economic growth. In doing so, Indonesia not only preserves its rich heritage but also showcases its natural wealth as cornerstone of national identity and unique offering the world. This approach, when implemented thoughtfully and inclusively, can ensure that Indonesia traditional ritual remains vibrant, relevant, and impactful the modern. Terima kasih.